Employment perspective or the employability perspective, what we call it as a market failure is, see, companies want trained candidates, but they're not willing to pay for training. Candidates are not ready to pay full fare training. As a solution to these employability crisis, one, the Apprentice Act need to be changed. See, in a country like India, we hardly have around 1 or 1.5 lakh apprentice, or minimum 2 lakh apprentice. A popcorn country like Germany has got around 6 lakh, and Japan has got around 12 lakh apprentices. The second major thing what we have been talking about is in terms of revamping these employment exchanges. In the country, we have around 1100 employment exchanges. They gave around 1.75 lakh jobs last year. It's actually completely defunct. We need to revitalize these employment exchanges and convert them to career centers where a person can come in, understand what is to be required, and he's guided either through a counseling for a training or to get a particular job.
Actually doing a needs analysis for technology integration, we found out that the maximum role or the most enabling role the technology can play in that particular context was in building capacities of facilitators and trainers, and therefore our technology product and technology solution was created keeping in mind the context of the facilitators, and the product design was made keeping in mind the needs and challenges of the facilitators, and we believe that is the effective way of creating technology solutions for employability sector. I think we need to keep in mind three questions when we think about the use of technology in content delivery. One is, why do we need to use technology? The second, what is the process by which you determine technology integration? And the third, how do you measure the effectiveness of a technology solution? While we are talking about how to measure the effectiveness of technology tools, I think we need to keep in mind, is the technology solution adding to the learning levels of the child? Is it an economically more viable option? And thirdly, is it changing the dynamics of the way content, pedagogy and technology come together in the classroom for a more effective learning environment for the child? I think it's important to keep in mind that only repurposing an existing technology can make it an educational technology, and repurposing it for the context and to ensure that we are meeting the needs of the context.
Finding solutions to these questions is no mean task. Unless we brace ourselves up and find solutions collectively, we fail to deliver the promises these programs hold. Thereby, we fail to add a productive young citizen to the country's labor force, which can impede the growth of the country. Let's all get together to face this daunting task and strive to give a better future for these youths.